Greetings my friends, and Trade here, back with another video. And every single opportunity that you have right now to make money should be your priority. And I keep saying this every single time I record a video, and I don't know guys if some of you have already been focused on making money with the tools that we have. Some of you still hesitating. I have a lot of people in my DMs asking this and that and the third, asking, oh, if this thing works. There's countless of videos on my YouTube channel showcasing these tools. We did live trading session. We traded on TikTok with this tool, and I'm always completely transparent. These tools are not a solution to every single thing in the market. However, as a beginner trader, as a person that just comes into the market with $100, $150, $50, whatever it is, money management plus this tool is the only thing that you need to get going. And I want to show that to you again. I want to show you how strong this tool is. It sits at above 80% win rate, and I'm talking about Evo Trade algorithm, but this is not the only tool that we have. So if you want to start making money, if you want to start trading and be serious about and learn little by little how to be consistent and how to be independent in the market, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. But right now, let's go into the market and let's do some trades. It's Sunday, so we're going to be hitting up OTC market, but you know I love it, so let's get it. All right, so here we have Evo Trade algorithm. We're going to be trading on OTC market. And if you are a beginner trader, if you're just going in, this is everything that you need. You need a high payout trading asset, so try to find one of those. If somehow you go into the market and there is no asset with 80% plus payout, just skip trading on that day. Like straight up, only 80% plus trades. There is usually plenty of those. Look for the market with a nice payout and go into that. The robot will do everything for you. You don't have to do anything. The only thing that you need to manage is money, your money. So if you have $100 available for trading, you only place 1 to 5% per trade. That's it. You need discipline, and that is where it comes. Money management, which is a part of discipline, and you need this tool. That's it. You go into the market, the rest is going to be done by the robot. So we select the asset OTC market here. We have a list of assets. Find an asset that has some movement, but not too much, not too high volatility, not too that. You want to have a little bit. Select the asset, Euronet this dollar. Here you have a list of time frames that you can trade on. If you are a complete beginner, start with 5 to 10 minutes. This is going to be perfect. It's not too quick. 1 minute can be a little bit tricky, but once you get a bit of expertise, go for 1 minute. And like I said, start believing the get rich quick schemes. There is no shortcuts here. What gets you to from point A to point B, from $100 to $200 is consistency and discipline. Of course, you can go into the market and place 2 trades back to back and win, but eventually you're gonna lose, and that's gonna take you out completely, and you don't want that. So here we are. I'm selecting 1 minute, I'm pressing start analysis, and that's it. The robot will do analysis in a couple of seconds, and we're gonna get our signal with a breakdown. And there it is. We have a sell position, so I'm gonna place 2,000 here, another 1,000 right now as the price starts to kind of go up here. So we're probably gonna have to drop a little bit more. If you're trading on 1 minute, remember that this tool, when it provides you with analysis for 1 minute, it's valid for 20 seconds. 20 seconds only. If it's past 20 seconds, you need fresh analysis for 1 minute time frame. And as you can see, we get a strong bullish candle here. And the robot even gives you the analysis. RSI approaches the oversold zone, while parabolic SAR remains above the price, confirming a bearish continuation. So we're looking to secure this trade here, and this is all you need. You need this tool, you need consistency, and you need discipline. Once you have those 3 things in place, everything else is going to be pretty easy. You just follow the robot signals and you make your money. And there it is. We're closing in. We're probably going to see some rejection, maybe not. This is crazy, by the way, but you can see how accurate this tool is. And there it is. We get all 3 trades right here, and we just move on to the next one. And when you start, don't overtrade. If you take 2 losses, 3 losses in a row, just stop. All right, just stop, cool down, Go do something else, read, observe your mistakes, maybe see how the market behaves. It's okay to go on demo account and trade a little bit and see how the price action works. You want to understand the price action first and foremost. You want to know where the price will go, and you want to kind of start seeing the patterns on how it behaves. All right, next trade, same thing. We are never going below 92% if we have plenty of assets right here. This is a bad chart to trade on. Immediately you open up, you see that we have sideways chop here, a lot of volatility, strong candles, a lot of rejection. We don't want to trade on it. We want a somewhat stable chart. Euro, Great and pound will do. Select it, 1 minute, start analysis, and we are off. Same thing. 3 clicks gets us to our destination. That's all that you need. And we're taking a sell position. I'm gonna place the 1,000 and wait for a little bit as the price starts to go up, and that's it. We place another 3,000, and you see I'm not overcommitting. I have a lot of funds available. I can place $10,000 trades, $15,000 trades, but I don't need that. I can grind slower, make my $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a day and be completely content with that. That's all you need. When you start at $100, you can also make your $20, $30 every single day, and that amount is only going to grow as you continue to grind. As you get higher, as your balance grows, your trading amount will also increase. So you start at $100, you're gonna go to 150. Now you can place $5, $7 trade, $8 trade. You go to 10, 15, 20, and you won't even notice how you will get to placing $50 per trade, $100 per trade. And this is when it gets really serious, because you're gonna be able to rake up some serious profit every single day. There it is, another 3 trades, another 3.8 thousand. We started at 12,000, I think at 12, yeah, and we are already at 18. Now, isn't this what you want? And let's do just one more trade. Let's go in, same process. We select OTC market, and same thing. Only 92%, right? I'm not going below that. I'm just sticking to 92%. Australian dollar, United States dollar. We look at the chart. What do we see? Sideways chop. Do I want to trade on it? Not really, but I will perform a trade just to show you that this tool, even if you can sometimes make a mistake and maybe not notice what type of chart you're trading on, it still will be able to give you a signal and perform analysis on this type of chart. We select 1 minute, even on 1 minute, which is an extremely hard time frame. We have a sell position. I'm gonna place a little bit, 1,000, and there the price spikes. And this is where I'm gonna place another 1,000, and there it is. We have it, and the price will probably I would think the price will get strong rejection here and go into the green, but we do have a pretty strong bearish move here, so we might actually see the continuation of a downtrend. So once again, the robot gives you a breakdown of a trade. You have everything that you need to learn to make money at the same time. You don't just place a trade and close your eyes and sit there waiting for Jesus to take the wheel. No. You place your trade and you look what the robot is telling you. OBV indicates consistent distribution with the price making lower highs and lower lows. So once you see that the price is making lower highs and lower lows, you know you're in downtrend, and you want to make sure that you are understanding why the price is going down. The robot is telling you exactly which indicators it is using for analysis. So when you go into the market by yourself, we might lose this one. Yeah, we did lose one, and that is fine. We are at 19,000 starting at 12,000, which means we made $7,000 of profit in just a couple of minutes. This is the real strength of this tool, and if you want to trade with this tool, now is the time. Don't postpone it until tomorrow. You can start with $50, $20, $100, whatever the amount you have. This tool will get you to the amount that you want, as long as you're managing your entries properly, as long as you're managing your money properly. This is not magic. All I'm saying is you need discipline, guys. A lot of people are taking out of the market because they're not disciplined. They try to revenge trade. They start at $100, right? They lose 2-3 trades, go to $80, and that's it. They see they lost $20 and they be like, okay, I'm just gonna place $40 on the next trade and hopefully it goes through. No, please make sure to stay disciplined. Even if you lost $20 on a trading session, reset, come back later, place another to $4, adjust it accordingly. Like I said, if you're not having a great trading session, bring your trading amount down, grind slowly, but you will get there. I'm telling you guys, this is the last year that you can really lock in. If you think that 1 year is not enough to get where you want to, trust me, I've been there. I started with $100 and in 1 year I made over 100K on binary options when I started in 2021. So you are able to do that as well, as long as you're consistent. You cannot build an empire in 1 day, and this is the most important thing that you need to remember. So grind slowly, but grind smart. Use the tools that you have available. Use all the resources that you have available. Join my trading group. We have daily trading sessions to teach you how to trade. We have a lot of tutorials, trading strategies available for you in the group. So check it out. The link is in the description. Like you saw here, we went from 12,000 to 19,000. So even if you went from $12 to $17, this is also a progress. Everything is progress, and eventually you will get to where you need to be if you stay consistent and if you stay disciplined. So I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as usual, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.